Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW A70 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this BLACKVIEW. Firstly, you need to find calendar, click on it and tap on the month above. Then pick a date and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here you need to choose event and then adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title, choose starting or ending hour, tap on does not repeat over here and select one of those options if you wish your events to repeat. You can also disable this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. If you wish to, you can set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event over here. Tap on done, choose add description, take notes, and even click on add location, select while using the upper only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. When you finished, you can click on save at the top right corner, and after that, as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, tap on it, click on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. Then choose save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, then delete and delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!